फ्रेंड्स, मेरा नाम है शमरेज़ और आप देख रहे हैं ISI रिएक्शन चैनल। फ्रेंड, आज जिस वीडियो पे हम रिएक्ट करने वाले हैं ये है टॉप 5 इंटेलिजेंट एजेंसी। तो चलिए सबसे पहले वीडियो को देखते हैं। अगर आपने वीडियो को लाइक नहीं किया, लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल के आइकन पर ज़रूर प्रेस करें ताकि हमारी हर आने वाली वीडियो आपको टाइम पर मिलती रहे। तो चलिए वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं।
The top 5 best intelligence agencies in the world, 2016. 5. The Institute for Intelligence and Special Operation, or Mossad, Israel. Mossad is the intelligence agency of Israel, most active organization in the country, committed to collect intelligence involved in counter-terrorism and various covert operations. The director of agency is bound to report activities to the head of state, Prime Minister of Israel. Contrary to others, Mossad is considered as the most powerful agency due to scarce, widened resources. The undercover agents have been present in various countries to collect the valuable information for the country. Mossad's most notorious unit is the Special Operations Division, or Metzada, which is involved in many assassinations and secret operations worldwide. 4. Federal Security Services, or FSB, Russia.
Number 4.
The Federal Security Service of the Russian Federation, or FSB, is the main domestic security agency of the Russian Federation, and the main successor agency of the Soviet-era Cheka, NKVD and the KGB. The FSB is involved in counterintelligence, internal and border security, counter-terrorism and surveillance. It has at least 250k personnel, containing undercover agents, secret officers and foreign spies. It mainly fights the state crime, terror acts, drug smuggling and other internal security violence in the country. 3. Secret Intelligence Service, or MI6, United Kingdom. The British have had a long public perception of an effective intelligence agency due to the success of the unrealistic yet entertaining James Bond movies. MI6 has been closely involved in various conflicts in the 20th and 21st centuries, but not officially acknowledged till 1994. The secret front line of Britain's national security has responsibilities to keep close eye on internal and external terror activities, organizations and countries which could harm national defense and state security. 2. Central Intelligence Agency, or CIA, United States. The CIA is the largest of the intelligence agencies and is responsible for gathering data from other countries that could impact US policy. It is a civilian intelligence agency of the United States government, responsible for providing national security intelligence to senior United States policymakers. On the 50th anniversary of the CIA, President Clinton said, "By necessity, the American people will never know the full story of your courage." Indeed, no one knows what the CIA really does. The CIA is highly funded and technologically the most advanced intelligence setup in the world. 1. Inter-Service Intelligence, or ISI, Pakistan. It is believed to have the highest number of agents worldwide, close to 10,000. The most striking thing is that it's one of the least funded intelligence agencies out of the top 10. American Crime News declared Pakistan Inter-Services Intelligence as the world's best and strongest intelligence agency, headquartered in Shara-e-Sohawadi in Islamabad. ISI is most known and famous agency among 3 agencies working in Pakistan. The others are the Intelligence Bureau, or IB, and the Military Intelligence, or MI. ISI is known as Command Immense Power in the Pakistani establishment, referred to principal brainpower organization of the country.
Thanks for watching and hope you enjoyed. Check out one of these videos.
तो फ्रेंड्स, ये थी हमारी आज की वीडियो। आप लोगों को वीडियो कैसी लगी है? अगर अच्छी लगी है, ऑफकोर्स जो पाकिस्तानी हैं उन्हें तो अच्छी लगेगी क्योंकि हमारी ISI नंबर 1 पे है। तो इंशाल्लाह अल्लाह पाक इसको इसी तरह नंबर 1 पे कायम और दाम रखे। अल्लाह पाक इनकी हिफाजत फरमाए, पाक आर्मी की, एयरफोर्स की, सब की। اگر آپ نے اس سے پہلے ویڈیو کو لائک نہیں کیا، لائک کر لیں، اور آپ مجھے کمنٹ سیکشن میں یہ بھی بتائیں کہ اگلا ریاکشن کس ویڈیو پہ ہوگا، ہم آپ کا نام لے کر اس ویڈیو پہ ریاکشن دیں گے۔ تو تب تک کے لیے ہمیں اجازت دیں، ملتے ہیں انشاءاللہ نیکسٹ ویڈیو میں۔ اللہ حافظ۔